If you're looking to make some extra cash in your spare time, then you've come to the right video. Maybe you want to buy a new wardrobe, pick up a hobby, or just get out of a tight spot with your finances. Whatever you want to do, this method is going to help you out. And that's the best part. Anyone can make some more money this way. Follow these simple steps and you can earn up to $350 with minimal effort. And when I say simple, I mean it. This method is incredibly straightforward and very easy to set up. Once you've got that done, cash will start flowing into your bank account in no time at all. You need absolutely no skills or technical equipment to set this up, apart from an internet connection and an email address. And if you're watching this video, you already have both these things, which means you can start earning right this minute. This method requires no affiliate marketing, no investment, no social media following, no VPN, no filming videos, and you don't even need to leave your house. So it doesn't matter whether you're living in the US or Papua New Guinea, or whether you know how to market yourself on social media. This method doesn't require any of that. You don't even need to have some spare cash already lying around because there are no investments or money deposits involved. So this method is completely free and can be done from the safety of your own home, wherever you are in the world. It takes just a few minutes to set up online, and you'll soon start earning. In this video, we're giving you a roundup of how to click and earn money for free in 2021. This is a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to make more than $300 with minimal effort and no technical skills. It's extremely easy to set up. But before we begin, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Let's begin. So, this method depends on one website that is vfly.com. You guys can head over to vfly.com right now to check it out for yourselves. The website is completely legit, reliable, and fully functional. What vFly essentially does is help people get more views on their YouTube videos. And it does this organically, without using bots or fake streams to up the view count. All the views you get are from real people interested in the content of your video or relevant to the target audience. And this is a quick and easy method for YouTubers to get more subscribers and improve the engagement on their channels. vFly has been very successful so far, having run more than 10,000 successful campaigns and served over 4,500 clients. You can go check this out and read up on more information on their website since it's all listed there. Getting started on vFly is very simple. YouTubers paste the URL of the video they want to boost in the address bar, and then select some relevant keywords. These keywords provide an insight into the content of the video, whether it's gaming, beauty, or travel. Then, vFly uses its algorithm to find your target audience, and it promotes the video to them using ad campaigns that are run on advertisement services like Google AdWords. And once the ad is up and running, the YouTuber will soon see more views and likes pouring in. Once again, this website is completely legit, and vFly does not rely on bots or click farms to get the job done. You can see this mentioned on their website too. There's a quote that says, "At vFly, you get a real and bona fide audience that is here to stay." Plus, they've got loads of client testimonials if you'll scroll down, from content creators like the Pinkerettes to Super J King Gaming. But like I said earlier, you don't need a YouTube channel or video filming equipment to use this method, so you aren't going to be using vFly's services to boost your own videos. So how are you making money then? The answer is drop servicing. And you'll be doing this with the help of another freelancing website. Drop servicing is basically when you're selling a service that you don't fulfill yourself. Instead, you outsource the work to another agency that completes the service. In our case, the service you're offering is boosting other people's YouTube videos. And the agency that'll complete the service is, of course, vFly. If you're confused, don't worry. Keep on watching the video and it'll all become clear. There are a lot of freelancing websites out there like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. Open up any one of these, and if you search for something along the lines of grow your YouTube channel, you'll see loads of results. All of these are people out there earning money by offering to get other people more views, subscribers, and likes on their videos. They're all making different amounts of money depending on the price they're charging, how many customers they get, and what service they're using. So, it's very easy for you too to start your own gig and start charging people for the service you're offering. And you can make a few $100s in no time. Now, we're going to estimate how much money you can make doing this. So, let's head back to vfly.com. Scroll down to the FAQ here, and if you click on how much does it cost me, you'll see this figure. vFly says that every $10 will get you 800 to 1,500 views. with some extra detail in front of that. So $10 is what you're paying to VFly to get the job done. And in your freelancing service, let's say that you're charging someone $30 to get their video boosted. Out of that $30, you're paying $10 to VFly, and you can keep the rest of the $20 for yourself. Now, multiply this by however many customers you're getting in a month, which can be up to hundreds, and suddenly that's a nice sum of money you've got there. But the extra payment details VFly mentions in the FAQ are also something you should keep in mind. $10 can get you anywhere between 800 and 1,500 views, and the exact figure depends on the target audience you've selected. If your videos are super niche, like a channel dedicated to Mario-themed nail art, then you might be seeing figures towards the lower end of the range. The length of the video is also something you should be keeping in mind, as shorter videos tend to get more views than videos of a longer duration. Keep this in mind, and you can alter your rates accordingly. Another way you can alter your service and attract more customers is this. If you click on the question above, which says, "Am I getting more likes, comments, and subscribers through this promotion?" and you'll see VFly says that you can set your own goal for the video you want to boost. This means you can decide what you want most: more likes, more comments, or more subscribers. So this is another option you can offer your customers. Having the choice to pick what they want boosted will likely attract more people to your gig, and that means more money for you. So that was my extremely simple way to earn more money fast. To summarize, all you have to do is set up a freelancing gig offering to grow people's YouTube channels, charge the money, use VFly to boost their videos, and pocket the profit for yourself. And again, this website is reliable and very easy to use. All you have to do is make an account. You can use your Facebook profile or Google account to do this, so it's super easy. Paste the URL of the video you want to boost in their address bar, pay them a small amount, and you're good to go. As you can see, this method is simple and straightforward and doesn't ask much from you. You don't need any professional skills, an amazing CV, or an influencer status. You don't even have to leave your own home or waste any time in getting started, because you can set this up in minutes, exactly like how I just showed you. So if this sounds like a good idea, go ahead and get started right now by going to vfly.com. And that's all for a tutorial on how to click and earn money for free. Let us know in the comments if this sounds like a good idea and whether you'd want to make a couple $100s like this. Thank you for staying with us. Don't forget to leave us a like, share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel to receive more engaging business content like today's video. Hey, if you enjoyed our video, you just have to watch this one.